Hello guys, I have an amazing game to show you from my chess tournament in Krakow. So I played with black 2000 FIDE against 1881 FIDE, and we are playing the Dutch again. I don't know why these guys love playing the Dutch. Maybe they play like they wanted to surprise me, I don't know, but my goal was to just exchange the light pieces so his attack doesn't even make sense, and then counter-attack in the center. So I played f5, pawn to e6, and here, oh no, he was able to play queen e4, right? No, because queen to f6, and if he takes, I take on e1. So it didn't work. He played g5. I needed to move the knight away because the fork now was the real threat. Queen f6 was not working anymore. So king to f7, we traded, and now this is the weakness, right? So we gotta focus on it, and also this one. So queen to the game, connect the rooks. Now rook to d8, looking at the queen from through the pawn. Rook to c8, and now I'm so proud of this move. Pawn to e5. The idea is just to free this pawn, make this one weak, and yeah, just keep control of the over the c file, not allow him to play pawn to c4. The thing that I was struggling to understand was that if I play queen to c5, the c4 I cannot take because he just takes the rook with the queen and takes two rooks for the queen, right? If I play, what did I want to play? Well, if I play something like whatever, whatever, a6, c4, plus I for example take, yeah, I take. He has queen to c3, which is super annoying for me. I didn't want it, so I decided to play e5, which was a crazy sacrifice. And I'm a pawn down, right? Yes. But look at the activity. Can you see that? So I'm taking the pawn that I told you about. But first I'll take this one. Now I push to f3. I cannot really take this because e6 and the pawn is getting promoted, right? So we gotta watch out. So we play this. Now if he pushes, we push. He needs to move away and we win another pawn, right? That's a completely winning position. So I take on g5, play h5, h4, rook g2, rook to g3, forcing an exchange of the rooks, or taking on c3. I mean, the best bet for him was rook to f8. I don't know why he didn't do that. He just let me exchange the rooks, and now I knew that it's gonna win. I'm gonna win. So I used triangulation, as you can see, out maneuvered him. Now the pawns can go forward. Again, outmaneuvering because his king can only jump to 2 squares, while mine can jump to 3. So yeah, you can always outmaneuver your opponent like this. And here, oh no, the pawn is running away. Yes, but we have h3, king to f3, pawn to h2. He surrendered after king h1, king f2, e8, g2. I still don't have a queen, but now queen and king. That's GG. Wow. Wow. Thank you for watching and wish me good luck again.